Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard edits on Capcut without Pro easy method. Start by importing footage, set the timeline to 16:9, and enable snapping for frame-accurate cuts. Trim clips with razor and ripple tools, then add keyframes for smooth motion and speed ramping. Use overlay tracks and masks to composite clean transitions. Save custom templates to speed future edits and keep versions organized for quick revisions. Start with focused cutting. Zoom in and use the blade tool to slice clips on exact frames for tight rhythm edits. After cutting, use ripple delete to close gaps while keeping downstream clips synchronized. When syncing to music, trim to beats or motion points to maintain flow. Employ jump cuts and L cuts strategically to control pacing. Preview at full speed to ensure continuity before moving to color and effects. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and hit like to support more editing tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for long editing sessions because they keep meals tidy and prevent spills on your desk. They save time and reduce cleanup, which means more focus on timelines and cuts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For precision, toggle frame-by-frame navigation and nudge clips one frame at a time to perfect alignment. Use speed ramping controlled by keyframes to highlight motion without jitter. When hiding cuts, add masks and track motion to blend layers and maintain continuity. Color grade subtly to match shots and use audio crossfades to smooth sound changes. Keep organized tracks and label layers so complex edits stay manageable and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.